a 40-day funeral observance last year. Pinchem bi esi ho amanka na party for a 1 year NPP addition na nka omo de omo nsa aka no. Honorable Yama Kwababa for God and Country on SOMPA 106.5 FM. I won't cry.
Madam Omar Ahmed.
Omar Ahmed. Oh, yes. Anya Omari. Omar. Yes, Ahmed. Thank you very much for drawing attention to the correction of your name. But Yabasia Bisase. And ewo yona seno. Dem pan is here.
Yo, wait a minute. And 40 days are Bushia 4. As a share, say, Namia Duma, MPA, Nakoko Action and Safran, 40 days. And the call Okuchia, Usiu, ma auditing means party for the 2 men from the Mumba coming home. Na yendi ya MP 40 days okano ya mufu eti enso agitu mu and then ya da na ye nyina escafe ye ko akobo na ebushafo no e di 40 days. Yes, all can say ko do hore to assembly see. Yes, we say see. But ye gina kwan yisu e dia ma ebushafo nyina yako na obia tese sa abatu ayekoyi en sheda nye sabi ntokwasem bibi se sabi yesu nyina ni se yakopon ana to nsa fri obi na sabi se woni obi agen ko ba ko a ibi ayekwa ne se obekọ court akoyi wa no untim fada de ana sika ana yutu enko ka sem what matter inti ne ekosi wo no sabi en sheda nye but mmiri ayewo mu de Yabeka to be a yabutre. Na said wo na ba wo to ba busafo ya but ye ka se wo bia yabutre na intimi election asumdwi na me ka dia to so say uba Akwatia ha na wo say ye wo the number of policemen who are around inti sa utra some no we na isi na enya dia ye be say hu biom o bia.
Okay, but what can I say? Now, who can say? We want a full narration of what actually happened. Then, Potin is here.
We the Meso, Yasum, the AC, Holland, and Tokobia, Sabi, so I can be a Binumuna, almost teenagers. So, what must a Bimuno Muntinivas almost stop, but. At the end of the day, no, we're able to calm all the tension down. And yeah, DBA so much tension. Send Tokana, you said, and almost all my time, but at the end of the day, no, we're able to settle out the Biama. It's you could share for my if you
okay, but at them did the Bianco, so because your name report about Kwakasa now, as someone the two Janada say. Na ye di NDC for na mba ho atem say muna mokum Kumi ene nsam bebirebe a na koso ewo ho na enmom yesanya ne tie say wo na wo ye DC no na nka ekaketwa bi anka MPP addition no anka wo ya kangu so abro
we dey in fact report an say ko ho dia ko be mu say ende shimam ko shiem wo wenchi ho no. Not a BDC no count, but me delegation from the assembly so almost representing. In DC no count or delegation.
Specifically, no, perhaps it was not you, but it was the DC for Aye Wenchi. Is it Wenchi Honomuno? I don't know whether I say it has its own jurisdiction. Under a district assembly, and does it? When you holding na share masse.
Oh, okay. It's one of your 21 electoral areas. Benchamboha. When she is one of the electoral areas. Into they are under our jurisdiction.
And you know, Obia and Niatam and Obia so Anya say, yeah, Baba Bomo. Because your whole videos be the videos are live over here.
And American say we are then akɔyɛ nipa hu dwuma de bɛyɛ nipa ba ku mmienu bi a sabi ɔmbɛka asɛm bi ade atwitwi but do na enya botresti etna tie ma NDC for ediba and you can do all those things you want nipa ba ku mmienu bi sabi e ko do ho no ɔmo kan send but those things are part of management of human beings. NDC for no ekotena se kama nchi ahemfo nyina ma ye kaya some wie na soro point
eno de ye hu se bibia koso kama but news all over the social media pages online I can mention uko my joy online and uko SOMPA online and uko city online and say the national chairman of the party, your NDC, was nearly beaten or assaulted by members of the New Patriotic Party. And you are saying, sir, it's not true.
It's like you hear me very well. Mankasa is not true. They say in the management of human beings, no, you are likely to have such interaction with people around. There were some skirmishes that happened, and those things happen. But nya didi asabi ayen tokwa se na ukasa en tokwa bi si wono enyen tokwa en yentina obi antake ye papa penyi chairman general
but obi omu yese anka ombe atake no omu didi na atem de
there be omu gina echi no omu kasa
na kasa be na no omu kasa
no it's normal to mokuye so did you get me how do you Sabi, what this shit to her, yeah. What must say? But young men say, oh, the different thing in Kumi, but this is not for Kumi. But after politics in there, we because we in Kumi. Sabi, NDC for young Kumi, but young men send it to young Kumi. Politics naba, and I said, in Kofodia for one, or Mokabi Visa. What must say? But in the long run, the people around it have understood that, oh, no, no, we are not going to man yard. So what must say? So, say ya chairman of the party there be the release I yakobu DC kwampo no against that improving and kofobika
until the news circulating around is not credible according to the DC of Akwatia Honorable Omar Ahmed.
It seems you are not getting the whole point right. What must I say? Basically there's some skirmishes that happens. But the way you are painting the pictures, so you have
no. I am not saying say Yabuno. Listen, no, nobody is raising tension in Akwatia. It is a story that has come out that we are also making follow-ups to. But the words I am using. Nearly assaulted by NPP members. That is what is quoted on all the online pages.
Yes, I feel now back to what I'm saying. He nearly assaulted. He wasn't assaulted. What must he? So he nearly. So this is the point I want you to come from. And with the total number of security people around within Akwatia, we will not allow that thing to happen.
Okay, so talking about the security, let's just say that security beef up, you're so strong. A brief on the security beef up.
Thank you very much. For now, I want to assure all the people of Akwatia, about you say police for Akwatia, they are here to protect the citizens of Akwatia. They are here to protect us. So, there's nothing like intimidation. They be here and say that day for election, now over our card after police station. We no card crampona. Over police station, where they will check through the register. We do more what kama what now we feel. And police follow our about from they are there to protect us. But who are said obey any mra and fatano, they will arrest you.
Okay.
Akwatia Hanede, a Sumdri area, Hayenu be ni kasakasa bia, and I want to assure all the public say about we better about kama be no IBC.
All right, we better wasipa. But before we let go of you, national security for any soldier for so now.
For now, military near. For now, there's no military here. There's nothing like national security. But what is here is the police service. Now they take over everywhere in the district.
Okay. Because that's a contrary opinion you are also sharing with us. Because yene uraya abwaje duduana friend 5 p.m. or say who yes a soldier for be 5 year na womu enenam.
Now you're asking me as the chair of the district, and I'm giving you this information. You're also telling me somebody from somewhere is also giving you this information.
That somebody's opinion or somebody's report that is given to us. He's also on the ground, and you are the chairman of DISEC. You have spoken, and the person is saying this. I need to draw your attention as a journalist to what he has said, so that if what he's told us on air is not true, then you disabuse the minds of our listeners.
Thank you. So that is the situation on the ground. Akwatia is calm, very peaceful.
Yeah, better was say, but Musa Dankwa Global Info Analytics project is my candidate. Bernard Bedu. Idea obedi nkunim.
Perfectly. When you look at if you own Yamba at a local level, we do some research. I would say it's far ahead of the other opponent. Far ahead. Now Akwatia or the Nchembo, we are looking for development. Basically, this election is not a normal election that we are going. We already have the president, and therefore we are now looking at someone who can have a link with the president that can get us development. We now have our DCE, and now the people of Akwatia have understood. Say no, we don't have to go and get anybody at all to go and be in the lane. We need to get somebody who's from the same trend. So for Bernard Bediako being the MP there, it's well gone down with our people within the Nchembo district, and you see the percentage is going to be very, 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 very far. Very far. That 53% is even given. We are even looking at 70% for Bernard Bediako.
All right, so thank you so much for speaking to us. We're very, very grateful. You're from Abuchi. Well, maybe sometime we'll be meeting. We'll be there in Akwatia.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much for speaking to us.